And the first step to unlocking the speed is unlocking the throttle. So to unlock the throttle, hold plus or minus, power to get you to P4, and then 0 is pedal assist only, 1 is throttle only, and 2 is throttle and pedal assist. If you come out of the menu, you've now got throttle active. Now we turn the bike off, twist your throttle, holding your lever, twist the throttle, holding the brake lever, turn on the power, wait about 10 seconds. That should be the max speed unlocked. With the max speed unlocked, even if you turn the throttle off, the pedal assist will still do. At 19.8 mph. So you have to turn it off again. We have to turn the throttle on. So to make it back legal, you need to reverse all the steps again.